My name is Nakawi Saidat. I am in senior 3 class from Mugezi Secondary School. I have just come here to learn about baking, as in baking cakes, cupcakes, cookies, daddies, among others. What I can try to bake is cupcakes using the following ingredients like eggs, 5 eggs, baking powder, flour, prestige, milk, sugar. At first you get sugar and prestige and you put into a plastic basket. You get 5 eggs aside and then you sieve the flour, the baking flour. You put aside and then you sieve the flour. You measure the baking powder, and after you put the eggs into the milk, into sugar and butter which you have sieved, which you have whisked. After you get the sieved baking flour, and then you put in. After putting in, you also add the baking powder. Then you fold in. After folding in, when you see it's ready to add milk, then you add milk. After putting milk, you put milk which is enough. You put enough milk, which you see that is enough. Then you again fold in. After folding in, you get this cupcake, and then you smear it with prestige. After you put this in, after putting in, you get a spoon. After getting a spoon, you add like 2 to 3 tablespoons. After you put them into the oven. After putting it in the oven, you get the time and then you set your time. It have to be 8 to 15 minutes when making these cupcakes. And then the temperature, 180 degrees Celsius. After, you wait for it to get ready. When you see that it's ready, you remove them. When they are ready to be eaten, you remove them and then you wait for them to cool.
Okay, now this is our weighing scale, eh?
Yes.
You should make sure we are measuring in what?
In grams.
In what?
Grams.
So the gram. Say, I think you see it, eh?
Yes.
This is what. This one helps us. Now it is in grams. It is in grams, eh? You should make sure when you're starting to measure, it's on 0. On what?
0.
On 0. So you will put it down. It is on
0.
0. So when you put, it will add weight. Again, you press up to
0.
Then you measure. Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay, you measure. How many grams?
500 grams.
500 grams. Okay, sugar.
360 grams.
Whenever you're measuring a new ingredient, we go back to
0.
Okay. Measure. So the next step is
Combining.
you add until fluffy. Till what?
Fluffy.
Till fluffy. Till we see sugar no more. Okay?
Yes.
Or you know, big kuba until sugar
No more.
is no more. I think you've been following.
Yes.
Okay. Enough. Enough what? Milk. What about the consistency you are getting? Yeah? How do you call this method? How do you call this method? How do you call this method? Folding. Was cupcakes for how many minutes? 8.
Upon the creaming and folding, then you put then you grease and put them in the cupcake. Then after putting them in the cupcakes, then you put them for 8 to 15 minutes. This is an oven. The temperature is supposed to be 180 degrees Celsius. Then the time, you say the time, 8 to 15 minutes. Then the function.
After the 15 minutes, this is what we obtain. The other grease we used just enable us to get it in this form as a yogurt. Soya and tasty.
My name is from Mugezi Senior Secondary School, and I'm a Form 2 student and the head girl.
My name is Mugezi from Mugezi SS, Entebbe Road, and we are learning how to baking cakes and cupcakes. We are making a birthday cake and cupcakes. Some cakes are made without sugar. So we can make a cake containing no sugar. We say to him. Milk is not so necessary. Now you can leave it and use other ingredients. There's like prestige, vanilla, and other ingredients. Teachers, we thank you for this program you have brought for us. We are going to learn more and learn how to make these cakes and cupcakes, daddies, and many more.
Cooling is the next step.